Hi guys, for those of you that have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I've tinkered with motors here and there for quite some time. This is the latest motor that I've got. It's a Toyota 3F carburettor, points ignition, 4-litre engine, and basically I've just travelled about 150 kilometres to have the gearbox exchanged under warranty. I bought a changeover gearbox from Wreckers, and the first one that I got was no good, so I had to go down and get another one. Basically what I did was, before I left, I tried to find a more appropriate jet that was in the carburettor than the one that was in there. The one that was in there wasn't the original type of jet, it had a different landing on it. I think it was sucking fuel past it. But I took the chance, I put a bigger jet in there, a 135, the secondary has a 136, and I used about $50 worth of fuel to get to the destination, which is only about 150 kilometres away, so far too much fuel. So on the way back, on the way there, I was thinking about a way to try and cut back on the amount of fuel that I used by making an adjustable jet. I have had in the past stronger carburettors with adjustable mains with a sort of like a needle jet running up through the jet cap that you can screw in and out to adjust the taper, sort of like a two-stroke carburetor. I was thinking about how to try and put that into this system, but I'm no machinist, so it was a bit beyond me, and I thought, well, what's a simpler solution? And I came up with this. What I did was I bent a piece of copper wire. The distance between this shoulder and this shoulder is the width of the carburettor. It doesn't need to be bent up at all to reach the jet, but I've got now 7 strands of 12-strand copper wire, 7 strands into the jet. That's restricting the fuel flow appropriately to give me a leaner burn. And that's basically all there is to making an adjustable main. I can add in and out as I need single strands of wire. If I wanted to go to more control, I can use a 240 volt 10 amp wire, which I think has something like 24 strands, so I can double the tunability, which I may do yet once I've honed into the roughest component. With this 12 strand, I can then double the strands, and instead of having 7 leading into the jet, I can have maybe 8 leading into the jet. That'll give me an increment of 1. Then I could probably use 2 pieces of wire in there as well, which will give me a finer ability to control, because I can then use 8 strands, but because they're half the size of these ones, no, that's bullshit, because I'll just equate to the same amount of these. Finer wire, find finer wire, and you get finer adjustments. I'm not going to put that in right now, I'm going to do that later. The other thing I thought of was these throttle pumps. They're a bitch to get in. Always a bitch to get over this shoulder, the leather boot that you're trying to put, you're trying to force this leather boot that's on the floor. Whenever you try and place these throttle pumps in position, the spring inside holds the boot out. I mean, how are you supposed to get that boot into that hole? It's just going to spread. So, I thought what we need is a jacket. So, I got myself some aluminium flashing. And I cut the flashing to the right diameter. I wrapped it around a post. The tube socket, the right diameter, so that I can place this gently into this piece of aluminium. There we go. And it's now housed by this aluminium. This is the same diameter as the hole. So I can place that down into the hole, hold onto the top of the plunger, pull out the housing, and the plunger is in place and operates freely against the spring. The sock is in the right position and everything's happy. So you can do this with a tin can, an aluminium can, a Coke can, or a piece of aluminium flashing. Just wrap it around an appropriate diameter and put your plunger inside it, and there you go, a housing to place the plunger.